Salut mon pote, comment ça va? Félicitations d'être arrivé jusqu'ici. Bienvenue dans l'unité numéro 3. Congratulations for reaching this far. The theme of this unit will be food and more importantly, baguette, the French bread. You know it's very famous and very important for French people. Actually, I have mine just right here, very fresh from today. I hope you have yours with you also. Don't even hope to follow this unit if you don't have your baguette next to you. Okay, more seriously now. Dans cette unité, on va donc parler de nourriture et de cuisine. So, everything surrounding food. Comment commander au restaurant ou au café. Faire ses courses et commander à manger. So, kind of like a full guide on how are you supposed to talk about food, order at the restaurant, at the coffee shop, how to do your groceries, the supermarket, and how to order food online. Okay? This will be all the themes we are going to review. Le vocabulaire donc de la nourriture, des aliments, des commerçants, so all the different shops, le restaurant, les menus, etc. La grammaire, we are finally, very soon, in the first chapter, I think, going to review the last article, okay, du, de la, des, etc. On top of this, we're going to see this new kind of very easy, very important word to say, I go to a place, etc. And basically, you're going to see this in the course, but with all of this here, now you will be unbreakable in terms of grammar. You can express anything and say everything. So I hope you're excited about this. Also, we are going to review a new category of verbs like this. Finir, choisir, etc. Verbs that are not ending in er anymore, but in er. They have a different kind of conjugation. So I hope you're excited about this as well. Also, we're going to do a lot of pronunciation exercises. Finally, we are going to start talking about phonetics more, a lot of culture about French food, and a lot of training and practice for speaking and writing. Okay? I hope that you are very excited about this unit because we're going to review a lot of very interesting things. So, c'est parti. À tout de suite.